Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share some fabulous trick for students who usually use ChatGPT to make their assignments notes. So dear students, don't do it. So there is some AI tool has been created which will easily catch you that you make the assignment by using the help of ChatGPT. So for example, so if I wanna make a summary of world politics, so I'm gonna ask Mr. ChatGPT, so give me a short summary regarding world politics. Okay, so the ChatGPT has generated a short summary regarding world politics. So now I'm going to check it in AI tools. So is it AI generated or not? So for example, I need to copy this. Okay, then I'm going to go to Google and then search here GPT-0. Okay, then go to this website GPT-0. So this type of a interface will open. So search here your content, then click on check origin. So as you can see that it has catch you that it is 100% probability AI generated. So this is the AI tool which will catch you in easy way. So now I'm going to show you that how you can generate assignments or notes by using ChatGPT, but the tools will never get you. So for example, so if you want to go to Google again, then write here or search here bypass GPT, and then go to this website bypassgpt.ai. Okay, now simply takes the copied content from ChatGPT. So now this is the content, so click on humanize, so it will convert your content to AI content to humanized content. So click on humanize. Okay, continue with Google. You need to sign up first. Okay, reload. Okay, this is the email. Continue. Okay, now click on humanize. So they're rewriting your content or assignments or notes, checking grammar and spelling. Okay, in short, though, now copied this content. So this is the checking. They're checking, as you can see, that this output content seems to be a human right written. So now click on this copied button. And now, so now you can use this content wherever you need, wherever you want to make your assignments or notes, wherever you can use it. So the AI tool will never get you that you made this content by using the artificial intelligence. So dear students, I hope this video will help you a lot, for making assignments or notes. So I hope you're gonna share this video with your friends and your brothers and sisters. And so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.